Area. Here we're converting 458.9 centimeters squared to meters squared. And what we've learned is that every step on the diagram, you're multiplying by 100, or you're dividing by 100, depending on which way you're going. There are 100 millimeters squared in a centimeter squared, 100 centimeters squared in a decimeter squared, and so on. So when you're converting this way, you are dividing by 100. When you're converting this way, you're multiplying by 100. Okay? So every step on the diagram represents 100. Okay? So you are going to either be multiplying by 100 or dividing by 100. When you multiply by 100, you move the decimal place 2 steps to the right. Okay? So every step on the diagram represents 2 steps with a decimal place. Alright? Okay, so let's have a look. And that's what we can see here. So each step on the diagram represents 2 decimal places. So what we're going to be doing is we're converting 858.9 centimeters squared to meters squared. So we look at our diagram, and we're converting centimeters squared to meters squared. So that's 2 steps on the diagram. So if 2 steps on the diagram, if each step on the diagram represents 2 decimal places, all we have to do is multiply our steps on the diagram by 2. And a convenient reminder is that we're talking about meters squared, or meters to the power of 2. That 2 tells us that we're going to be multiplying the number of steps on the diagram by 2. Okay. So here we go. So 2 steps on the diagram multiplied by 2 by the exponent gives us 4. Okay, so 4 steps with a decimal place. So we bring the decimal place up here, fill in the empty spots with zeros, and our 458.9 becomes 0.04589 meters squared. Okay? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, let's look at another example. Here we want to convert 0.000521 hectometers squared to decimeters squared. So we look at our diagram, and hectometer squared to decimeter squared is 1, 2, 3 steps to the right. So we're going to multiply that 3 by 2, and that's going to be 6 steps to the right with the decimal place. So 3 times 2 equals 6 steps, so we're going to move the decimal place 6 steps to the right. 4, 5, and 6 steps. And we fill up the empty spaces with zeros, and we can get rid of all, we're moving the decimal place here, so we can get rid of all these things, and the extra zeros we just remove, put the units, decimeters squared, and we're done. Okay, and that's how you convert area. Nothing could be easier. Have a good night.